Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to needle felt some Easter decorations. Really simple way to do this is to find some Easter themed cookie cutters. So I've got a little bunny here. You will also need some felting needles. So felting needles are specialty needles. They actually have these little tiny barbs that helps entangle all the fibres of the wool together to really get them to felt. And then you also need some wool. I've got a selection of Ashford's Corriedale. You can buy like little multi-packs from Thread Collective, so that's a really good way to get a bunch of colours for your felting journey all at once. If you prefer, you can actually use this as a handle for your needle. I prefer to just hold nice and close. I would also suggest using a felting mad or sponge type thing. I'm just using the towel, so it's got a bit more contrast for you, but it's not the most ideal surface for the needle's longevity. So I'm going to do a white face for my bunny, and I'm just going to fill up my cookie cutter. I'm just going to start stabbing, just like so.
What are you doing?
Just very lightly, and it is quite amazing how quickly it actually starts to come together. So not like that, so we don't want to stir it, we want to make sure we're going in and out. So if we're not going in and out, the barbs can't actually do their job. See, look, it's already coming together, isn't he?
Why are we taking it out?
Oh, he still needs a bit more work yet.
Why is he getting robot?
So as we felt, the wool starts to lose space between each of the little fibres and it compresses. And that is what makes it look like it's shrinking. So there's still the same amount of wool in there, it just doesn't have all the air in between. Look at this! So I'm going to felt around his sides now and be very careful not to stab my fingers. I might actually pop him back in this for a minute and get him a bit more dense. So we'll lay out where we want the wool. So for like a little nose, what colour nose should the Easter bunny have?
Maybe this color?
And what colour eyes should the Easter bunny have?
Yellow.
So as you are needle felting, if you notice any bits that are different thickness that you don't intend for, you can just add some more wool in and just felt it together. Needle felting is just wonderfully satisfying and it can be surprisingly simple. So we have it. All you needed was some Easter cookie shapes, your felting needles. Highly recommend, especially if you've never done felting before, just like me. Just these Ashford needles. There is a student set as well as this one with the wooden handle, and some wool such as the Ashford Corriedale, and also ideally for safety, have a foam pad. So these little bunnies, you could then use them to stick onto little skewers as little cake toppers. You can use them to decorate Easter baskets, Easter bonnets, any of that sort of thing. They are absolutely kid friendly as a craft. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, drop them below.